All right, it's been many months working on this stupid thing. This began as a transmission bearing failure. Fortunately, we found the problem before a serious problem happened, thanks to our magnetic oil drain plug down there. I highly recommend, if you don't have one on your vehicle, get one, because it basically told us in advance that one of those bearings was failing. But nothing serious happened. Full top and bottom end rebuild. Lots of extra goodies. Full nut and bolt hardware kit. Boysen side covers, water pump. The impeller has been upgraded also. This is it's about a 270cc cylinder. Very pleased with it. So check out our other videos on this project. We still got stuff to do to the bike itself, but as far as the engine goes, it is finito. Very pleased. So check out our channel, Horsepower House, and look for us on eBay as well. Google our store. We'll have links in all of our videos. So that's it. Check it out. YZ250. Looking good.